Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1925 Farrell. Keep cabling this thing out. You had us out here the other day, like a week or two ago. They cabled out to get it open. I cabled out, got it open again. Here we are. We're running our camera out to the main out here. As you see, there's a piece of pipe that may have looks like maybe old clay pipe lid. There's a piece of pipe down here in the line right where it meets MSD's line, and I've tried to cable it and knock it out to MSD's line, and this is wedged in there. I did locate and mark it in the street. It's 9 feet deep. I'm probably gonna recommend that to be dug up and that piece of pipe removed so they could drain properly. We're gonna go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. See, we got clay pipe here. It's diving down and turning, and it looks like it's turning into maybe PVC or old clay. We're gonna go get a couple of the locates on. We'll be right back. Yep, so I went ahead and located and marked that spot in the street out there. Like I said, it's 9 feet deep. I had a couple marks on it to show you the run of the line here. See, it's diving down and sweeping over a little bit. Alright, so yep, here we are at the yard trap. Like I said, there's an object right there by MST's line. I'm going to recommend that to be repaired there. We'll go ahead and run it in, show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran towards the house here. Here we are at the bottom of the stack. You can see the roof vent there. Go ahead, pull it back. Here you are at the sweep here. We're going to go ahead and pull it back to show you what this looks like. We're in the 4-inch cast iron here. We got a turn there, and then we got a Y, a line of Y inside there. Everything looks pretty straight so far. So here we are at transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast iron and the 6-inch clay pipe out here in the yard. See, it looks to be free of roots, pretty clean, looks intact. Pulling back, see it's diving down a little bit to make depth for the line out here. Yep, so here we are at the trap. So everything towards the house looks good. Like I said, right there where it meets MSD's line, there's a piece of pipe that's came apart in the line. Gonna recommend that to be repaired there. And other than that, everything looks good. Thank you.
She stood it up so